guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज की वीडियो में I'll be showing you all the products that I am currently obsessed with. So all these products are the products that I've been using for quite some time now, and these are highly recommended from my side. तो अगर आपको इनमें से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेबल लगता है, so please do buy it and then please do try it and then let me know in the comments down below कि आपका opinion उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में क्या था. So basically all these things that I'll be showing you in today's videos are related to different categories. So these categories are beauty, food, gadgets, electronics, body care, and lastly I'll be showing you some of the super fun things which are basically the sort of hobbies जो मैंने इस साल अपनी life में inculcate करी है, and that has made my life a little more fun and a little more मज़ेदार. तो मेरी वो थोड़ी सी बोरिंग लाइफ में तड़का लगा है ड्यू टू दीज हॉबीज़ दैट आई विल बी शोइंग यू टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. So without wasting any time, I'll get started with the beauty products. So in the beauty products, I'll get started firstly with the body care products. In the body care products, let's get started with the face. So I am someone who has a very sensitive skin and मुझे एलर्जी बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है. मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में मिलते हैं which are exclusively for sensitive skin, मुझे उससे भी एलर्जी हो जाती है. मेरी स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है. बट लकीली ओवर टाइम आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड दिस वेरी नाइस Upton foaming face wash from Mamaearth. So this is basically the face wash that I have been currently obsessed with, and this is the face wash that I am currently using. So basically ये face wash मुझे इसलिए सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है because ये मेरी sensitive skin के लिए absolutely wonderfully work करता है. मुझे इससे बिल्कुल rashes, बिल्कुल dryness, बिल्कुल itchiness नहीं होती है. Next up, मुझे for the longest time एक face wash चाहिए था जो बहुत ज़्यादा मेसी ना करे मेरा इंटायर रूटीन ऑफ वॉशिंग माई फेस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. एंड फाइनली आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस वन. सो दिस बॉटल ऑफ फोमिंग फेस वॉश comes with a silicone foaming brush as you can see here. So basically ये bottle कैसी है, I'll just show you a look. तो this is the bottle. So basically you just have to remove the lid यहाँ से, and this is the silicone brush that you can see which is attached to the bottle. So you just have to pump out the product from here, and जब आप इस product को pump करते हो, so you can just then massage the product with the silicone brush all over your face. तो उससे the best part is कि आपके face पे जितनी भी dirt and dust है वो easily get rid of हो जाती हैं. And secondly, इससे आपका जो face washing का पूरा process है वो बिल्कुल भी messy नहीं होता because you do not have to use your hands, and वो hands आपका पूरा product का वो गीला नहीं होता, चिप नहीं होता, वो पूरा जो एक खलेरा मच जाता है जब आप face wash करते हो वो नहीं होता है. So that is a great thing about this product. So currently this is the face wash that I have been using. So if you are someone who has a very sensitive skin like me, I would highly recommend you guys to please give this a try. This is the first product in the beauty section. Next up, for the face, I have this very cute Lakme sun stick. So this is basically a sunscreen but in a version of a stick. So again, this is a product that I am currently obsessed with, and especially दिल्ली की गर्मियों में मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So basically you just have to roll this stick out and then आपको just apply करनी होती है ये all over your face. And yeah, so this is as simple as it gets. मतलब आपको इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा करना नहीं है. And the best part about this is कि ये बिल्कुल भी white cast नहीं छोड़ता आपके face पे. However, a recommendation from my side is कि जब भी आप ये product लगाओ, so there are sometimes chances कि ये product आपसे थोड़ा unevenly लग जाए with the help of the stick. So I would recommend you guys that post applying this product एक बार ही आप अपने hands अच्छे से wash करके एक बार evenly इस product को अपने face पे spread कर लो, जिससे वो product आपके आपके स्किन के अंदर चला जाए एंड वो बिल्कुल थोड़े से भी जो वाइट कास्ट के चांसेस हैं वो भी ना रहें. सो दैट इज़ जस्ट अ सजेशन. लाइक आई डू दिस माई सेल्फ समटाइम्स. जब मुझे लगता है कि अनइवनली प्रोडक्ट यूज़ हो गया, सो आई जस्ट मसाज द प्रोडक्ट विद माई हैंड्स ऑल ओवर द फेस. Yeah. So next up for the body, I have this strawberry pound cake body wash. So this is the body wash that I am currently obsessed with. I got this from Bath and Body Works, and this is an absolute delight to use. Basically because of its fragrance. इसकी fragrance strawberry pound cake है, so you actually smell like strawberry pound cake the entire day, which is a great thing. Next up, इसमें shea butter plus vitamin E है, जिसकी वजह से that it does give you a very soft tone. Plus this is great for sensitive skin, and yeah, so please do give this product a try. ये मैंने बहुत recently purchase किया है. Next up for body, I have this Dove Even Tone Roller Moisturizing Cream. So this is something which I think I have been using for years now, and this is a great product, especially गर्मियों में, because this moisturizing cream has that quality of soaking in your sweat, so you feel fresh for most of the time of the day. So please do give this a try. Plus इससे आपको कोई भी एलर्जी नहीं होती है, कुछ भी नहीं होता. Plus this really helps you to even tone your underarms. For that also, this is a very great product. So please give this a try. Next up for the lips, I have this very cute Vaseline vanilla fragranced. I got 2 of these Vaseline vanilla fragranced lip balm, as you guys can see. So this is a limited edition lip balm that I got my hands on. So for the longest time, all of us have been using the original Vaseline lip balm. मतलब वो तो हमारी generations use करती आ रही हैं, and all of us are obsessed with that. And of course even I really love that. मतलब उसकी जो moisturizing capacity है, that is unmatched. But this is again a wonderful product by Vaseline. This is exactly like the OG Vaseline that you like, that all of us have been using, and it also looks exactly the same. The only difference is that it has that strong fragrance of vanilla. Next up for the lips, I have the Lolly Lips by Nykaa Cosmetics. This is something that actually the internet influenced me to buy. तो ये मैंने इतना ज़्यादा देख लिया all around myself that I was like, I have to try this. However, again, my only concern was that due to my sensitive skin, मुझे allergy ना हो, मुझे ये reaction ना करे. So I did do a patch test kind of a thing before actually applying it on my lips, and luckily मुझे इससे allergy नहीं हुई. So this is a great product for someone like me, जिसकी इतनी ज़्यादा sensitive skin है. So this is basically a pH lipstick. So as you can see that this, इसकी packaging इतनी cute और इतनी premium है, and this is the lipstick as you can see. So basically I'll just swatch and I'll just show you how the color is. So this is a very light tone of pink to it. तो बेसिकली ये एक मैजिकल प्रोडक्ट है. मतलब मैं अगर सच बताऊँ तो दिस इज़ अ मैजिकल प्रोडक्ट. तो बेसिकली यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई दिस लिपस्टिक ऑन योर लिप्स, एंड जो आपके बॉडी के पीएच लेवल्स है उसके साथ वो लिपस्टिक रिएक्ट करके गिव्स दैट परफेक्ट शेड ऑफ पिंक टू योर लिप्स दैट एक्चुअली मैचेस योर स्किन टोन. तो ये प्रोडक्ट मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है फ्रॉम नायका. सो दिस इज़ द राइट थिंग दैट द इंटरनेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड मी टू बाय. सो आई वुड हाईली recommend you guys to please buy it and please give it a try. I got my hands on these very cute body mist and perfume. As you guys must have guessed by now, ये मैंने body mist again Bath and Body Works से खरीदा है in the same fragrance as the body wash. So this is again in the fragrance strawberry pound cake, and this is a very छोटू सा compact bottle. So इसका मैंने एक बड़ा version भी खरीदा, and I got my hands on this very cute version as well. So basically store में जो कुछ strawberry pound cake की fragrance में मिला था, I wanted to get my hands on that because इसकी fragrance fragrance is amazing. Like I'm not exaggerating, but इसकी fragrance इतनी अच्छी है that I am really obsessed with this at the moment. So ये मैंने बड़ा खरीदा so that I can use it on a daily basis. However, I got my hands on this one so that I can use it whenever I am traveling. ये बहुत easily मेरे bag में fit हो जाएगा because it is very compact. Plus I got my hands on this one because this is a body mist, and body mist से थोड़े से chances कम होते हैं कि आपको allergy होगी because body mists are water based. So बहुत कम chances होते हैं that they actually stick to your skin for a very long period of time. तो chances are less कि वो आपकी skin के साथ react करके आपको कोई भी allergic reaction देंगे. So that is the reason that I got my hands on this body mist. Next up, I got my hands on this very cute zodiac sign perfume. So my zodiac sign is Capricorn and मैंने Capricorn का perfume खरीदा. This I got from Miniso. This is for 400 rupees and ये perfume वो perfume है जिसने मेरी जैसी sensitive skin को भी कोई allergy नहीं दी. So that is something that I really like about it. Plus I really loved the packaging of this product. As you guys can see, this is such a cute bottle of perfume. And आजकल के टाइम में जब perfumes और body mist और body care products इतने ज़्यादा महंगे हो गए हैं, so उसमें getting a 400 rupees perfume bottle is a great deal in my opinion. Again, this is very travel friendly. The only disadvantage is कि ये कांच की बनी हुई है, so you have to be very careful whenever you are using it. But the fragrance is amazing. मतलब मैं exaggerate नहीं कर रही, but please do try it for yourself. Next up in the body care and beauty section, I have these oil absorbing sheets. So I am someone who has a combination skin, but मेरा T-zone, especially my nose, is really oily. मतलब after 3-4 hours you can see my nose shine out of the blue, and that is the major reason जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये oil absorbing sheets खरीदी थी. So these are the oil absorbing sheets, as you can see. So these are the sheets. So these are basically charcoal sheets. This again I got from Miniso. So these are the sheets and you just have to, pull out one thin sheet and then you just have to dab it on your, area जहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा oil आता है, and all the excess oil comes on this sheet, जिससे then you have very little chances of getting pimples and all of that. So that is the sole reason that I got my hands on this one. Next up in the beauty category, I have these hair bands that I have been using for quite some time now again. तो ये basically तब काम आते हैं जब आप अपना face wash कर रहे होते हो and आप चाहते हो कि आपके आगे के बाल ख़राब ना हो, जो लड़कियों में बहुत common होता है. So these are the hair bands that you can use to put all your hair away from your face. These two are again from Miniso, so please do buy these. These are really handy and really helpful. Next up in the beauty category, I have these very cute packets of tissues, as you can see. So this is again from Miniso from the Barbie collection. So these are the 2 packs that I got from Miniso. Next up, I'll show you this very cute mirror that I got from Miniso again in the beauty category. Again, I wanted to show it to you guys. So I am someone who is not really obsessed with makeup, but जब भी मैं थोड़ा बहुत makeup कर रही होती हूँ, I like to sit down and then do my makeup. तो उसके लिए मुझे एक बहुत I wanted to buy a very lightweight mirror, because अभी तक मैंने जितने भी mirrors खरीदे हैं, those are really heavy and really difficult to use. So this is the mirror that I finally got my hands on, and this is very lightweight and very cute and very aesthetic. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मेरी ड्रेसिंग टेबल की शोभा बहुत बढ़ा देती है. Lastly, in the beauty section, these scrunchies. So I am someone who has always been using rubber bands अपनी पोनी बनाने के लिए, अपना bun tie करने के लिए. But over time I have realized कि rubber band से बहुत ज़्यादा hair breakage होती है, and now I have shifted to scrunchies. There are very little chances कि आपका hair breakage होता है whenever you are using scrunchies. So these are some of the products that I am obsessed with in the beauty and body care category. Next up, I'll show you the product from the food category. So in the year 2025, I have been using all these products, and on I think on a weekly basis or on a daily basis, I eat or consume these food products. So the first product that which I wanted to share with you guys is this Fun Foods ka sandwich spread. So this is such a tasty sandwich spread, and this makes my breakfast very quick and very tasty. तो basically ये डॉक्टर ओइटकर का फन फूड्स का सैंडविच स्प्रेड है, and this is veg and this has cucumber and carrot in it. तो ये बेसिकली हाउ यू यूज इट इज़ कि आप एक स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड लेते हो एंड यू स्प्रेड इट ऑन दैट ब्रेड, एंड देन यू कैन ऐड वट एवर फिलिंग्स यू लाइक. यू कैन ऐड cucumber, onions, tomatoes or whatever you like, and then you top it with another slice of bread, and this tastes heavenly. If you guys haven't tried it, please do give it a try. Of course, this is not one of the healthiest breakfast options out there, but once in a while जब आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होता, so you can always try this, and this gives your sandwiches, your wraps a very 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 tasty and very rich flavor. So this is the first product from the food category that you must try. Next up, please try these dark chocolates from Bonville, which are in the flavor fruit and nuts. So these are 50% dark chocolates. So I have been eating these for quite some time now, and these are a great replacement for these normal sugary dairy milk or Cadbury ki chocolates. So this is a great replacement for that. And because ये fruit and nut flavor में है, there are a lot many nuts in this, तो उसकी वजह से dark chocolate की bitterness थोड़ी कम हो जाती है, and these taste actually really good. And yeah, so please give this also a try. Next up in the food category, this is something that I am recently obsessed with. So as someone who has fluctuating levels of iron, मतलब मेरे iron की जो deficiency है वो बहुत common है मेरे में, and every now and then जब भी मैं blood test करवाती हूँ, iron मेरा usually कम ही आता है. So for that I am currently eating this snack. So this snack is basically good chana. So this is a homemade snack, like I completely make it at home. So basically what you have to do is कि आप normal plain चने खरीद लो, and you get those big pieces of good. So what you have to do is that in a jar put like chana, normal chana, not salted chana, plain chane, and then you have to shred that tikki of good into very, like बिल्कुल आप shred कर दो into little small pieces. So you can do that with a shredder or just with a simple knife, like I do it with a simple knife, and then you have to mix that good into this plain chana. Then you just shake it, you shake it very well, and then you just consume 2 to 3 spoons of this on a daily basis. इससे बहुत high chances होते हैं कि आपके iron levels naturally वापस to their मिनिमम ह्यूमन रिक्वायरमेंट जो होती है उस पे आ जाएंगे, एंड योर रिपोर्ट्स विल बी फाइन देन. सो प्लीज़ गिव दिस अ ट्राई. अपार्ट फ्रॉम जो इसकी लाइक मेडिसिनल और वो क्वालिटीज़ हैं, दिस ऑल्सो टेस्ट्स रियली गुड. सो दिस कैन बी अ ग्रेट स्वीट रिप्लेसमेंट. आई एम समन हु हैज़ अ वेरी स्वीट टूथ, तो मील के बाद जब भी मेरा कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करता है, आई ट्राई हैविंग 2 to 3 spoons ऑफ दिस. Plus, I also try and replace my sweet cravings with dark chocolates. So these two are really healthy options if you are looking out for anything जो बहुत ज़्यादा sweet ना हो and बहुत ज़्यादा high on sugar ना हो. Please do try both of these things. Next up, in the drinks that I have tried in recently and that I am obsessed with recently are, the first one is this Catch Jeera Digestive. So this is such a tasty drink. मतलब अगर आपने कभी ये ट्राई नहीं करी है, so please give it a try. This has that sweet, tangy, sour flavor to it, and this actually tastes really nice. ये आपको इन छोटे bottles में मिल जाता है, and this is from the brand Catch, so you can completely rely on the taste, on the quality and all of that. So this is such a nice product. अगर आपने कभी ये try नहीं किया, so please do give it a try. So this is the first drink suggestion that I would like to give to you guys. Next up, again from the brand Catch is this clear carbonated water flavor black currant. So I am obsessed with this carbonated water in the flavor black currant, and I've been drinking this मतलब like पूरी गर्मियों में I have been obsessed with this. Of course again this is not the healthiest option because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा fizz होती है as this is carbonated water, but गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा that you do need something, so please try this at home. If you are someone who likes making mocktails and cocktails, this can always be used to make those mocktails and cocktails. आप अगर ये कभी ट्राई कर लोगे तो इससे जो आपकी ड्रिंक्स का फ्लेवर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इन्हांस होता है. सो प्लीज़ 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 डू गिव दिस अ ट्राई. Lastly, in the food category, I have again from Catch this natural mineral water. So this is basically the sparkling water that I am currently obsessed with. Of course, हम normal पानी पीते ही हैं, but I am also currently obsessed with this sparkling water from Catch. As I went to London for my post graduation, वहाँ पे मैंने देखा था कि sparkling water का चहल चलन बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब वहाँ पे स्पार्कलिंग वाटर लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पीना पसंद करते हैं, एंड द मेन रीज़न इज़ दैट दिस इज़ रियली गुड फॉर योर गट. मतलब दिस रियली हेल्प्स यू इम्प्रूव योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, एंड उससे आपके जो हंगर पैंग्स हैं वो भी टू अ सर्टन लेवल suppress होते हैं. Like this is a great replacement for sodas. I am someone who was at a point in life obsessed with sodas, but now I am shifting to sparkling water. So please do give this a try. Next up, the food category is done. Next up, I'll be showing you all the things that I'm currently obsessed with in the electronics or in the gadgets category. So the first up thing that I really wanted to show to you guys is something which is very boring and very plain, which is an iPad. So for the longest time I did not think that I am someone who will be obsessed with using an iPad, but over time जब से मैंने ये use करना शुरू किया, I've realized its importance in my life and how important is having an iPad, and how important is कि आपको आता हो iPad use करना. मतलब more than having it, eventually you should know how to use it in a proper manner. So as a student I was absolutely obsessed with it. जब मुझे अपने notes बनाने होते थे, मुझे अपने कोई document save करने होते थे and all of that. But now as someone who is a content creator, again this comes in really handy for me to edit my videos, to write down my content, plan my scripts, plan my content and all of that. So this is something that I'm really obsessed with. So this is an iPad that I have. Next up in the electronics category, I have this very cute purple colored power bank. So this is again something जो मेरे बहुत काम आता है, because most of the times I'm on my phone editing content, posting content and all of that. So this comes in really handy. इसकी battery life is amazing. मतलब ये मेरा फ़ोन 2 बारी तक full charge कर देता है, which is a great thing about it. Plus इसका color is really cute, so that is another thing because of which I really like this. Next up in the gadgets category, I have this handy fan. So this is a fan that I got from Amazon. So you just have to press this button and इसकी speed up adjust कर सकते हैं, as you guys can see. And this is a handy fan that I have been using for quite some time now. And so this is very lightweight and very travel friendly. So अगर आपको if you are someone जो मेरे जैसा जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, जिसको usual से ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, so you can always get your hands on this mini fan from Amazon. Next up in the electronics category, I have this very compact press cum steam press. So this is basically a press, but you can just also convert it into a स्टीम प्रेस. सो ये ईजिली आपको किसी भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल जाएगा. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ, एंड स्पेशली ये मुझे ट्रैवल करते समय बहुत काम लगता है. तो द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इज दिस कि ये 2 in 1 है. ये आपके प्रेस के भी काम आता है, और कभी अगर आपको स्टीम आयरन करना है तो आप इससे स्टीम आयरन भी कर सकते हो अपने क्लोथ्स. सो दिस इज समथिंग, दिस इज अ gadget that I am currently obsessed with. Lastly, from the electronic category, I have this very cute Instax ka camera. So Instax camera is something that I bought in London. So this is the camera that I got my hands on. I got this in the color lavender, as you guys can see. दिस इज़ सच अ क्यूट कैमरा और ये इतना ज़्यादा हैंडी आता है पोलराइड्स वगैरह खींचने में. दिस इज़ द रीफिल दैट आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन. तो इसकी रीफिल्स बहुत अलग अलग कलर के बॉर्डर्स में आपको मिल जाती है एंड आपको पैक्स भी मिल जाते हैं अमेजोन में. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु रियली लाइक्स कलेक्टिंग मेमोरीज तो आप ये कैमरे में इन्वेस्ट डेफिनेटली कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ ग्रेट फॉर यू नो कलेक्टिंग मेमोरीज एंड कभी आप फ्रेंड्स वगैरह के साथ ट्रैवल करो. सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट 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 प्रोडक्ट. फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम मुझे लगता था कि जब फ़ोन है और उसमें हम अपनी 1000 फ़ोटोज़ खींच सकते हैं तो एक ऐसे कैमरा में क्यों इन्वेस्ट करना जिसमें एट अ टाइम एक रील में सिर्फ 10 पिक्चर्स आती हैं. बट वंस आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट आई डिड रियलाइज इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंस एंड आई डिड रियलाइज ओवर टाइम कि यार जो एक ज़माने में जैसे पुराने ज़माने में रील होती थी एंड उसको हम फिज़िकली स्टोर कर पाते थे, वैसे ही जो अब हम इससे फ़ोटो खींचते हैं और हमारे पास जो फिज़िकली पोलराइड आता है वो जब हम स्टोर करते हैं उसकी फीलिंग इज़ समथिंग एल्स that is unmatched. Like you cannot compare that feeling to clicking 1000 pictures on your phone. So you know this is an experience in itself and this is such a cute girly product that I think each girl should definitely own. So this is something that I would highly recommend to you guys in case you are planning on buying anything for your birthday या अगर आप किसी को कुछ गिफ्ट करने का सोच रहे हो. So this is a great gifting product. Lastly, I'll show to you guys some of the hobbies that I have currently inculcated in my daily routine in the year 2025. So the first hobby is reading. आई एम समवन हु वाज एन एविड रीडर. जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे बुक्स वगैरह पढ़ने का बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज़ था. मतलब मेरी अभी भी जो मेरे पास बुक कलेक्शन है मेरी बचपन की, आई कांट बिलीव कि मैंने इतनी बुक्स अपने बचपन में पढ़ी है. फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई डिड गेट बिजी इन माई लाइफ एंड यू नो मेरी पढ़ाई थी, मेरे पास और चीज़ें थी टू लुक इनटू एंड मेरी वो पढ़ने की और रीडिंग की हैबिट डिड टेक अ बैक सीट. बट दिस ईयर आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट बैक ऑन टू दैट हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग एंड करंटली आई एम obsessed with books of different authors. So for the longest time मैं ऐसी रीडर थी जो बहुत ही एक ही तरीके की बुक्स पढ़ती थी एंड जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करती थी अपनी लाइक अपनी book categories के साथ. And I did not really experiment with different type of novels or different type of books or different type of authors. But recently I am becoming someone who is trying on reading different authors की books and different genres की books. So currently I am obsessed with this author. मतलब मैंने इनकी बुक्स लंदन में for the first time पढ़नी शुरू करी थी and now I'm obsessed with her writing skills. So the book that I am currently reading is I Was Born for This. So this book is basically, इस book की एक gist मैं आपको बता देती हूँ क्या है. That this is about a girl Farishta who is obsessed with a music band. And she's obsessed with one of the musicians from that band who is Jimmy. तो वो फरिश्ता और जिमी का बेसिकली दिखाया that once they meet in real life how they come to know about each other and how they face the reality and then how the story takes over. So I am halfway down and you know I have read almost half of the book and I'm absolutely loving it. Lastly, I would like to show you another hobby that I have currently inculcated in माई डे टू डे लाइफ. सो बेसिकली आप कभी भी अमेजोन पे विजिट करते हो तो उसमें आपको DIY मंडाला किट्स मिलती हैं. सो दीज किट्स लुक समवट लाइक दिस. यू गेट इट फॉर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स. So this is a DIY mandala kit which says paint it yourself activity kit. So this has basically a mandala. It has paints, it has a brush and then it has some mirrors that you can use to decorate your mandala. I am obsessed with such kits. मतलब मैंने इन kits से इतने सारे mandala arts बनाया and I have decorated my house with all these mandala art. एंड सो ये सारी किट्स आपको कुछ ऐसी दिखने वाली किट्स भी मिल जाती हैं अमेजोन में. सो इसमें बेसिकली प्री मेड डिज़ाइन आता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू पेंट इट, डेकोरेट इट, पेस्ट सम मिरर्स. दिस इज सच अ ग्रेट स्ट्रेस बस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. आई एम समवन हु हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ फैन ऑफ पेंटिंग एंड क्रिएटिंग आर्ट एंड अभी मैंने कोविड के टाइम में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पेंटिंग शुरू कर दी थी, बट अगेन वंस यू नो द लॉकडाउन वाज ओवर एंड एवरीथिंग, आई गॉट बैक बिजी इन माई लाइफ डूइंग अदर थिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट recently I have again started painting. In the year 2025 I have inculcated these two hobbies of reading and painting in my life back again. So this is everything, and these are all the products that I'm currently obsessed with and that have really helped me survive the year 2025 till now. I would really request you guys to please give all these products a try, and then please let me know in the comments down below कि आपको ये products कितने helpful लगे और आपको ये products कितने useful लगे, and especially all the activities that I mentioned towards the end of the videos, which is reading and creating art. Please do try these. ये दो novels definitely पढ़ना, and ये DIY mandala art kits do try, and let me know how you like them in the comments down below. Please keep loving me, please keep supporting me, please give your video idea suggestions in the comments down below, and like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you super soon in the next videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.